When local news station Kuentz 5 came to Kuentz Elementary to surprise one of their teachers with an Excel award, we knew we had to tag along. STEM teacher Karen Connor thought we were there to take a few pictures, maybe get some video of her class.
Say good morning to all of our friends.
Hi, good morning.
But actually, we're here to celebrate you because you are the Kuentz 5 Excel teacher.
The Kuentz 5 Excel Award celebrates hardworking teachers around the city. It comes with a lot of cheers, sometimes a few tears.
Sorry.
It's okay. This is a surprise. We wanted to surprise you with this award today.
And a big check from Credit Human.
Wow! Thank you!
It's a great way to let the world in on what her students already knew.
I like how she's so funny. I like her crazy hairdo. She's so creative. She's the funnest teacher that I ever met. I'm glad that she got the award.
Students, I'm sure she is the best, right?
My emotions tend to come out of my eyeballs, but I was very touched. It is a wonderful validation of all the hard work that we do here in the classroom. And it's very touching that I was thought of for this very special award.
Can we all split the money?